In this video, guys, I will show you how to use Murf AI and Canva. So guys, let's get started. Open your browse and search for Canva, and after that go to section app and search for Murf AI and click this open selection. Select the Murf AI. For the search result, click on the existing design and choose project where you want to add the voice, and over click connect, proceed, and sign up if you using Google account, and select your Google account, and then click connect link Murf AI with Canva and connected. Click on your username and left sidebar select the language and voice you prefer, and enter your text want to convert into voice over. Customize the style and click the preview voice over to listen and result play and check the over voice over. Everything is processed, guys. Always easily to integrate Murf AI and voice over capability into your Canva project, enhancing your design with the spoken content. So this is how you can use, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel.